Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waterman to Leland, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, St. Charles, Oswego, Yorkville, Little Rock, Plano, Sandwich, Shabbona, DeKalb, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Elburn, Cortland, Hinckley, Silmanock, Earlville, Waterman, Maple Park, and Leland. Including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 85 and 114. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
On the road, and of course